Here are some before pictures from a kitchen that I recently painted. The client didn't like the cabinets because they were all white. There was just too much white and they were kind of plasticky. We had to take in consideration her existing decor and the countertop. She also had an island that she wanted a makeover on. So I'll get into more details of that later, but when I mentioned it in a video, a lot of you were really interested in the island makeover. So we're going to talk about that a little bit today. I looked at this kitchen when I was in the middle of the kitchen before that I said was going to be my last kitchen. So this one is my last kitchen, I think. And that's how that one turned out. I did a video on that previously, and I can link it. So the island kind of fell apart on me when I put it in the van. So I had to really just totally disassemble the entire thing. So that was a good opportunity to paint it, and I gave everything bonding boss so that the paint would stick to it. I had to do a repair. You know, these prefab cabinets sometimes have hardware that you don't normally use. So I had to go find these locking nuts, and the client wanted new casters, so I replaced them. And then I realized I put it on backwards, so I had to take it apart again and reassemble it. They were using screws to hold the shelf up, so I had to replace the little shelf brackets as well. The client wanted a deep gray black color, and that was a perfect choice to go with her cabinets. The client also wanted the stainless steel top replaced with butcher block. So I ordered that from Amazon, and I can put the link below in the description box. I did have to cut it down. There was also a big knife rack recipe book holder shelf thing on the side, which she didn't really care for. So I used the existing towel rack, which she really did like, and made another set of brackets and made another towel rack on the other side. When I went to put the doors back on, it didn't have these little plastic things to put them on with, so I had to order those. And again, they were available from Amazon. So I'll put links to all this stuff in the description box. So we agreed that I would take about 4 inches off of the width to fit better in the kitchen space, but still providing a larger surface. The original top was put on with locking screws. This time I just decided to use little angle brackets to do the job. The original towel bar was replaced, and the new towel bar was also added. Meanwhile, the work was beginning on the cabinets, and I always recommend when you have those little crazy corner cabinets that you take a picture of the assembly so that you know how to reassemble. I'm always thankful whenever I do this. Remember this client's kitchen before? It was a lovely kitchen, but I agree it was a little too white. So take a look at it now. Here's that island with all its features, the towel racks. And there's the new butcher block top on there. It really serves her well. Everything's a lot more sturdy, and it goes great with the Baja Gray cabinets. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Also, you can click on that join button and get some exclusive content for only 99 cents a month. Find Statement Designs on the web at www.statementdesigns.org and on social media as statement designs. Stay well.